If you want to make your asylum claim successful, you must understand the definition of refugee under Article 1 of Refugee Convention. At the same time, you should know the 5 core reasons of asylum refusal, which I'll discuss today. Viewers, my name is Suhail Ahmed. I'm the principal solicitor of SWF Solicitor. Today, I'll speak about uh, what is the core requirement of asylum under Article 1 of Refugee Convention and the, the primary and most common 5 reasons of asylum refusal. Many of you are familiar and it will match with you among the 5 reasons. For this video is for information only. It's not a legal advice. If you need any assistance, please call to our office as WF Solicitor. We're located in London and Milton Keynes at 020-8090-4780. The details also at the bottom of the screen. Now, let's go to the main core definition of Refugee Convention. Now, under Article 1 of Refugee Convention, uh, I'll tell you 3 elements you need to establish in asylum claim. First, well-founded or fear of prosecution. The claimant must demonstrate a genuine fear of prosecution if returned to their country. This is the number 1. Number 2, grounds for prosecution. There are 5 grounds, 5 reasons for prosecution: race, religion, nationality, membership in a particular social group, political opinion. This is the 5 reasons of prosecution. And number 3 element is unable or unwilling to seek protection. The claimant must be unable or unwilling to seek protection from their own country of origin due to risk of prosecution. This is the 3 element in your claim of asylum to recognize you as a refugee. If you are not within this 3 element, as I discussed, then your asylum will refuse. So when you claim asylum, you must understand the definition that I have 5 reasons or ground: race, religion, political opinion, a membership of any particular group, right? So these are the reason. And the other element is you have a fear of prosecution and you are unwilling to or unable to get country protection. If you cannot set it yourself on that definition of refugee, firstly, you will not able to make your claim successful. And for even if you do go to appeal, the court may grant on other ground, on human rights ground or humanitarian grounds, but not in asylum. If asylum, you must be set yourself in the definition. Okay, this is the first thing today discussion. The second thing is 5 primary reasons of asylum. Uh, 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 5 primary reasons of asylum refusal. Now, number 1, as I said, non-conventional reason. Many people claim asylum, but they don't. The ground their claim is not within these grounds. That what I said: the race, religion, political opinion, nationality, or membership of any particular social group. So this is the first. This is the 5 conventional reasons. So if you tell well, if I require to go back, my family will kill me, or I borrow money from people, and they are smuggler people, or they are they will kill me, or they will prosecute me, they will torture me. Well, that will not with these claims are not within the definition of refugee convention. Maybe on humanitarian protection or human rights is a separate part, but not in refugee, and you can't claim asylum if refuse unconventional reason of asylum. Number 1, this is the number 1. Number 2, majority asylum claim which is within the conventional reason are refuse lack of credibility. Now, the claimant or the applicant cannot prove a genuine fear of prosecution, the applicant will be rejected. So you must establish that you have a genuine fear of prosecution, and whatever you are saying, presenting to the caseworker, they must believe that you are a credible witness. You are giving a credible statement, and you must establish genuine fear. This is the credibility. So majority refusal, you'll see from my experience, is credibility. Majority asylum, whether come from Afghanistan, Iran, Syria, Africa, Bangladesh, majority is credibility. Now, to establish credibility, you should be honest, and you should provide evidence what you are stating to the caseworker. If you can provide supporting evidence of your claim, that help to overcome the credibility point. Okay, so that's why where you need advice from a lawyer. What types of evidence you can add in your claim, what types of evidence you need, and lots of evidence. But the issue is, elderly person, escape the prosecution, or you're in trouble, you don't have money. Sometimes it's difficult to get right document, right advice. So at that point, it's difficult to judge by yourself who is document relevant. So you should consult a lawyer that this is my position, this is my circumstance, this is my fear, what evidence I can bring from my back home, or what excuse I can give that I am unable to bring this document. Right. Number three. No, sorry, number three, inadequate evidence of a prosecution ground. So, as I said, the evidential burden is on you to prove what you are claiming. And if you can provide lots of supporting evidence, that help to establish the credibility. So, lack of evidence in relation to prosecution, you need to, many claim is refused. We have an excuse, you have a ground that, look, I escaped, I had no opportunity to bring this document, blah blah blah. You will get a time to bring it, help. And if you can't bring a document, can't obtain a document, you should provide evidence that you have tried, you have approached to a lawyer, you have approached to humanitarian, a human rights group or any non-governmental organization to get the evidence, email, letter writing. So you have tried your best to get all this information. But even so, these evidence you can give it to the Home Office and explain your situation. Number four, internal relocation possibility. This is if the authority believe, the Home Office believe that you can be relocated in Chittagong from Sylhet, or from Kabul to Kandahar, or from Iraq to somewhere else, Tehran to somewhere else, then there is a possibility that there is internal relocation possible, and your asylum will be refused. So when you submit your claim, when you submit your supporting evidence, you should provide a statement covering why relocation is not possible, and what, in support of your claim, what evidence you can present. Number five, the final one, state protection ability. Now, many country, the law enforcing agency, from Home Office opinion, can protect the individual from abuse, from prosecution. Like in Bangladesh, always Home Office say that state protection available. Some country like Iran, when someone against the Iranian regime, state protection is not available. But some country like Pakistan, Bangladesh, and also in some African country, state protection is not there. Although Home Office position, according to country report, that state protection is there. You can go to police, make a complaint. But look, think about sometime state protection is not possible. You need to give bribe and you don't have money. So it is impossible to obtain the state protection. So sometimes state protection is not available for opponent of the government supporter. So these are the staff, and these are the situation you need to present again by covering letter in your statement, so that the Home Office believe that the state protection or relocation is not available. So this is the 5 core reason of asylum refusal. So I believe that those who are thinking to seek asylum, or those whose asylum is pending, you should understand and you should work on this 5 point what I discussed, so that your application is your claim is not refused. Again, if you need any assistance, please feel free to contact at our office. SWF solicitor. We have office in Milton Keynes and London, but we can help you, assist you anywhere you are in the UK through the Zoom, online, telephone, WhatsApp. Have a good day and good weekend. Good weekend.